Hi, I'm Kyle Oberholzer and I'm the Program Manager here at the Tulip Experience Center. Here we have our 3D printing production visibility demo featuring our Formlabs print farm. Now we have 3 printers here, 2 Form 3Bs to print biocompatible material and 1 Form 3 to print non-biocompatible material. All these printers are being monitored by Tulip. Through the Formlabs API, we can have a dashboard showing what our form printers are doing at any given time. At a glance, we can see our whole print farm. We can see which jobs are running on each printer, and we can even drill down into printer specifics. So if we want to see what's running on our Form 3, we can see this is printing EIO lowers, we can see a view of the model, and we can see our data about when it's going to finish, how many layers it's completed, and even what material it's using. With Node Red, we're even able to get a real-time look into the temperature of the resin at the printer. This is a view of the Node Red flow running on EdgeMC, pulling in various data from the Formlabs API and pushing it out to the Tulip Machine API. When managing a print farm, it's important to be able to see a list of all jobs that have been running on all of your printers. With Tulip, this is easy. We have one view of a spreadsheet of every single job completed by every single printer. Finally, now that we've gotten information on our jobs and our printers, maybe we want to track defects if a print goes wrong. This is also doable in Tulip. With the Report Defect screen, we can see the model that we were supposed to print. We can zoom, we can scan, and we can even make annotations that'll be saved later on this computer. If we want to take a picture of this defect in real life, we can use the document scanning camera down here on the desk to zoom in on what we want. We can take a picture, and we can categorize this defect. In this case, we can say it's incomplete because the top never made to a point. We reject the print. This is logged in our table, and a supervisor can see this later for further analysis. So this concludes our 3D printing production visibility demo. In this demo, we were able to see the status of our fleet at a glance. We were able to drill down to specific printers to see further job information. We were able to see information on all of our jobs for further analysis. And we were even able to report defects through the Tulip application. Thanks for watching.